Why I am adding a complete package to a civil engineer? The reason is quite obvious and it is in this video. Through this video, let's try to understand the wide possibilities where you can be a truly successful person as a civil engineer. We will talk about various streams amongst which you can choose the best one. We will see what are the top demanding softwares that you should learn as a civil engineer. And at the end, we will see top companies in India for civil engineers. We will talk about the companies for freshers and professionals as well. So stay with me and watch the complete video. First of all, what comes in everyone's mind when they hear, okay, you are a civil engineer, a person on construction site with a white helmet on head? Well, that's not all about a civil engineer. Working on site comes under a subcategory construction engineering, and it is one of the choice among so many other options. So to understand this correctly, let's see these subcategories. Here, as you can see, I have listed out some major subcategories of civil engineering, which are construction engineering, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, urban engineering, material engineering, coastal engineering, hydraulics and water resources engineering, geoinformatics engineering, geosciences, and there may be some others also. In each subcategory, you can further become an expert of a particular area. It would take so much time to go through each and every subcategories right now. Well, in this video, I will talk about structural engineering, and if you want me to talk about some other categories also, please do comment and let me know which one. I will for sure get back to you with additional content. So let's further expand this category of structural engineering. Structural engineering can have these major areas as building structures, civil structures, mechanical structures, aerospace structures, and maybe more, where you can choose to be an expert in one of them. Building structures includes such as houses, hospitals, apartments, residential towers, office building, community halls, etc. Civil structures includes bridges, roads, and highway. Mechanical structures include boilers, pressure vessels, elevators, escalators, marine vessels. Aerospace structures such as launch vehicle, missiles, hypersonic vehicle, military aircraft, commercial aircraft, etc. Now we know mostly about structural engineering. What types of structures comes under these subcategories? Let's widen our knowledge in top demanding softwares that are being used in current time in structural engineering, and which software you should learn to kickstart your career or gain more expertise if you are a professional or already in a job. One thing we should understand that there are many softwares which companies are using, and choosing one software is quite understood according to the purpose. There can be two major categories of softwares. One is analysis softwares and another is detailing softwares. So the top 5 analysis softwares are ETAB, StatPro, Robot Structural Analysis, RFEM or FEM, SAFE, SAFE. Now let's see the top 5 detailing or design softwares. Tekla Structures, Revit Structures, Autodesk AutoCAD, SDS2, Bentley MicroStation. It should be noted that company chooses a particular software considering so many factors. So no software is bad or no software is good, but we can say these softwares in present time have very much demand in structural engineering. For freshers, now you know the names of the software, so what are you waiting for? Go on internet and learn more about these softwares. The official sites for these softwares are given in description. Go and follow them. Mostly all the software companies make free tutorial of their software and provide free trial version for the learning purposes. So follow their instructions and start learning. So now here comes the last section of this video where I will tell you top companies in India for civil engineers. But please note that this is not a rating, refer it as a list only. Number 1, Ramboll, Punj Lloyd, L&T, Engineers India Limited, Fluor, Bechtel, Atkins, Intech Infrastructures, Soeco, Mecon, McDermott, and Samsung Engineering. You can find the official website links for these companies in description. Do check and visit their website and explore more about them. I hope I was able to give you desired information through this video. And please let me know in the comment section if you want to know anything more about any of the section mentioned in this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.